Hello students and children, welcome back to my channel. Today we are learn English alphabet A, A, B, B, C, C, D, D, E, E, F, F. English double letters. One letters becomes two alphabet and one letters become two words. A is for apple, A is for aeroplane, C is for cat and C is for cow, E is for elephant, E is for egg, B is for ball, B is for boy, D is for doctor, D is for door, F is for fish, F is for fan. And how to write English alphabet? A, A, B, 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 C, C, D, 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 E, E, F, 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 F. English alphabet. Capital letter A, capital letter A, capital letter B, capital letter B, capital letter C, capital letter C, capital letter D, capital letter D, capital letter E, capital letter E, capital letter F, capital letter F. Today we have learned English alphabet. Thanks for watching. You may subscribe my channel and like my video.